Let's make some avocado green salsa. I have my pan lined with some foil for easy cleanup. And we're going to add 6 tomatillos, 4 jalapeños, and we're gonna let those cook. So after about 10 to 15 minutes, we'll check our tomatillos, and we wanna make sure that they are starting to kind of brown up a little bit, and then we'll flip them over. And we'll continue cooking them for about 10 more minutes. After we flip them over, we're gonna add 1/4 of an onion and get these all nice and roasted as well. I'm also gonna be adding 3 dried peppers. And now we're going to add everything into a blender. I have everything into my blender. Now we're gonna add a medium avocado, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of water, and a handful of cilantro. And then we'll just blend it till smooth. All right, now it's time to serve. Let's taste this. This is so good. It is so delicious. It's got a little bit of a spice to it, but not much. The flavors are so flavorful. Oh my gosh, you guys, so good. This is so delicious. It has a little bit of a kick to it. It is very creamy because we put those avocados in it, and it tastes so good. It is so flavorful. Not only does this make such a great salsa, but it would be so good drizzled over some burritos or on top of some beef fajitas. It is endless. Well guys, this was delicious.